Welcome back with another tip. I'm going to show you guys how you can go Restream.io on your phone. I will show you one by one how you can go live stream through your phone. And I'm telling you guys, if you go on Restream.io, I get 3 million viewers through Restream.io and get 8,000 subscribers within 4 days. So guys, you are going to know like the importance of this Restream. Those two ways, there was a free one and there was a subscription one. If you want to use the free one, you will get a watermark here to the top of your head. But if you use the payment one, you are not going to pay to get any watermark. And the payment one, it got a lot of features, then it's not like the free one. Guys, I don't want to take that long time. I'm going to make this video to be short in case if you wanted to go to follow one by one. I'm going to take my phone and I'm going to show you one by one how you're going to do. Firstly, I'm going to start on my phone. Then when it's just starting like this on your phone, you go to Google Chrome. You go to Google Chrome, you write here to the Google Chrome Restream.io. Restream, you write Restream.io. Then you click, it's here. It's gonna pop up like this. When it just comes, it's gonna come like this. So when it just came like this, you don't have any account, you don't have anything, it's not going to show you anything. So when the time is like this, you don't have video, you don't have anything, so you have to go to a new stream. You click here to the new stream. When you click to the new stream, it's gonna ask you what do you want to use. When you go there, you go to Stream Studio, you click to the Stream Studio. It's gonna pop up a feature like this. It's gonna ask you what do you want to do. Just say that it's switch to Safari, not seen on it, look into for the best experience. Then you can go anywhere you want. So for me, as long as I don't want to use on Google, I will just push like this my phone. Then I'm going to open on Safari. When I go to Safari, I'm going to Safari and type my Restream Studio. Restream. When I click to my Restream here, it's gonna pop up like this. You see, it just says that it's Studio Restream. It says Studio Restream. So after that, it says Stream.io. Would you like to access the microphone and the camera? Yes. If you want to use your face to use your face, yes. But for me, I want to use another video, so I don't want to use my face. I'm going to click allow. When I go to allow, it's going to load like this. So it's going to say here join stream. I'm going to click to join stream. So when I join to the stream, you go here, you see here to the bottom, it says that wait for the host. So it's gonna wait and do search like what's gonna pop up, because you want to make sure how you are going to use this Restream. Okay, on Restream, so it's gonna pop up like this. When it's like this, I go to new stream. If you are a new person, but I'm not new, I'm going to enter studio. I go to enter studio, I just say allow. I'm going to allow. It just say enter studio, yes. Then it's going to stop like this. This is where you're going to pick your video. So when it's like this, is the time your video is going to show like this. And when it's like this, because this is 9 to 16, but if it's like this, it's 16 to 9, because it's when it's counting like this, it's counting like 1080 to 1920, 1080 to 1920. So when it's like this, it's counting like 1920 to 1080. So on other way, it's counting like this, it's 9.16, or this way is counting 16.9. So is that the difference? Then on that, to the free one, you see to the top where it's just writing Restream. But on me, I want to use the free one for now. I don't want to log in. Though I go to add source, you click to the add source, you go to the media. When I go to the media, here, this is my second camera. So this one is gonna face my face. You see, when I open, I see myself, and this where I'm going to put the source.
I'm going to take another video as a source. So I'm going to take this video. You see, so this voice you hear on this video, so it is on my background video, so like this. So it's gonna play like this. If you want, you can use this way, or you can stop this video. This is gonna be the small one, me I'm gonna be the big one, or you can flip again. This you can make to the top, you're gonna be to the down. So it's showing like that. This is the source. After that, you go here where it say live. You click here to the live. When you go here to the live, it's gonna tell you to write title. This is the title. You click to the title. When you click to the title on here, it's gonna tell you you tick this small one. It say edit. So here you can add whatever you want to add. You can take the thumbnail. If I want to go to add thumbnail, it's gonna ask me, did I need to go to library or take photo or choose file? Anywhere it's supposed to be, I have to pick from there. Then I say save. When I say save, it comes straight away to the stream. So on here, if I click go, it's gonna go live straight away. But for now, I don't want to go live. I'm just only showing you how you can go on live stream. So you can do like this on your video, and you can start getting more and more subscribers, more viewers. You can get your 4,000 watching hour within 2 to 3 videos. This is just, I'm telling you guys, it's just helping me on my YouTube journey. I get a lot and a lot subscribers, a lot and a lot watching time. I get 25,000 watching hour. I get 3 million viewers within 6 to 7 videos. So that's the importance of doing Restream. Restream is something very easy. You can just put like that, and you don't need to see it. You don't want to be there with the phone. You leave the phone, let the phone run the whole night until morning. Then morning you come and pick your phone when you have already to the top of your watching hour and subscribers. It's something is going to help you, especially if you're a small YouTuber, you plan to grow your channel and you don't know where you are going to start on this journey. This is the tip that is going to help you on your future journey. You are going to love it, guys. I'm telling you, the time I was starting, I was thinking like, what am I doing? Why this thing's not making even sense? Why am I wasting my time on this one? But what I know later, I know like, wow, why did I not do before if this thing was good like this? So I'm saying that something, guys, is going to help you, especially if you're a small YouTuber on your YouTube journey. This is the only way you can go and reach to the target that you are looking. And you can even, I don't know what can I say, because the time I was doing this, I didn't expect it, but later on I started thinking like, really? Is this me who just ranking like this? I was to the top of the ranking on that time, and I didn't even expecting this is gonna happen. I didn't even expecting this is gonna happen the way it's just performing, because that was like, I don't know what can I say, but I'm so happy, guys. Restream is something is going to help you for your journey, especially if you're a small YouTuber and you are looking to get your 4,000 watching hour, or you are just struggle to get your 1,000 subscribers. I know for one day, guys, I was been getting 1,000 subscribers every day. I was getting 1,000 subscribers. Imagine if I do that one for almost 1 month, I could get even 100,000 subscribers or more than that. But I stopped after when I reached my target was only to get that 1,000 subscribers and my 4,000 watching hour, and I stopped from there because I don't need to use and use. It's good for someone who want to continue doing that, but for me, I didn't like to do that because I got another thing to do to the channel. But for my target is only to be on the YouTube partner program, so and that I get it, so I stop from there. I'm so happy, guys, to see you, and you can just join my membership on my YouTube description. So guys, let us support each other. If you join to my membership, guys, I'm going to support you for your YouTube journey. Any tips that I was been doing the time I was looking at my WH and I was looking at my subscriber, I'm going to tell you. But just to join my membership, and it's just only $5 to $6, guys.
it's not that much expensive, but I'm going to teach you all the tips that is going to help you to start be to the top of ranking. Thank you very much guys, see you next video, bye bye.